Ever felt that familiar pang of excitement when you see your investments growing? That satisfying feeling of hitting a financial milestone, knowing your money is working for you. But then, the real world calls, and you need access to those funds. Maybe it's an unexpected expense, a new opportunity, or simply time to treat yourself. And that's when the big question hits: how long is this actually going to take? It's a question that plagues many micro-investors, especially those using platforms like Raiz. You've diligently contributed, watched your balance fluctuate, and now you're ready to make a withdrawal. But the process isn't always as instant as a tap-and-pay transaction. The delay, even a slight one, can be a source of anxiety, leading many to the digital town square of Reddit, seeking answers, shared experiences, and a sense of clarity. So, if you've ever typed Raiz withdrawal into the Reddit search bar, you're definitely not alone. The online community is buzzing with similar queries, and today, we're diving deep into what those users are saying about Raiz withdrawal times. Raiz, like many investment platforms, needs to navigate a few steps when you request a withdrawal. First, your investments need to be sold. This isn't an instant process, as it depends on market hours and settlement periods. Once your investments are sold, the funds need to clear, and then they can be transferred to your nominated bank account. This entire sequence can introduce a few business days into the equation. Now, let's talk about what the Reddit community has to say. Across various threads, a common theme emerges. The general consensus is that Raiz withdrawals typically take between 3 to 5 business days. Some users report seeing the funds hit their accounts quicker, occasionally within 1 to 2 business days, especially if their bank supports faster payment processing. However, a significant number of users consistently mention the 3 to 5 business day time frame. It's important to note that public holidays and weekends can extend this period, as these are non-business days where transactions aren't processed. So, if you initiate a withdrawal on a Friday, don't be surprised if the funds don't arrive until the middle of the following week. Some users have also mentioned instances where additional verification might be requested, which can further prolong the process. This is usually for security reasons, but it's something to be aware of if you're on a tight timeline. While Raiz itself states on its app guide that withdrawals can take up to 5 business days, the real-world experiences shared on Reddit largely align with this. It's a reminder that while micro-investing makes it incredibly easy to put money in, getting it out often involves a bit more patience due to the nature of investment markets and banking processes. So, if you're planning a withdrawal, factor in those few business days, and you'll likely avoid any unnecessary stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.